Welcome to Tech for Rec. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to remove uh, the green screen, the green background, and add another background of your choice with using one simple and free app right off your Android or any device with an app that's free, or you can use the paid version. It's only like $2 or $3, $4 if that. But you can use the free version, like I said, and it has the same features and things to remove the green screen from the settings. Let's get to it because I don't want to hold you up, and I know you gotta learn so you can go make that great content. Let me know in the comment section if you would like to see more videos like this. We about to get to it. Give me a second, bear with me. This is Tech for Rec. Subscribe, like, tell a friend to tell a friend, and I'll make more videos like this for you to keep learning and growing with your podcast, with your show, and anything that you're doing with any of your online endeavors. Thank you. I'm grateful. Tech for Rec. Let's get right to it. The app that we're using today is called Powerdirector. Powerdirector. Anyway, let's get to it. Tech for Rec.
I'm gonna go to Powerdirector. You're gonna press on New Project. You're gonna hit right here 16:9 because you want to record in landscape so it could look nice and beautiful when you put it up and people see it on YouTube and all these platforms. I'm gonna wait for it. Now you're gonna pick your background, and assuming you have it in your downloads, in the photos, press right there on your left hand side. We're gonna find a nice background. So I'm gonna pick let's pick this one. Great, fits right in. Now you can stretch it out depending on how long your video is. Mine's is about 13 seconds or something like that, so I stretched it up to there. You tap it, then you just tap anywhere on the screen to let it go. Then on your left side, there's like a little home symbol, music symbol, and then there's an overlay, which your video is going to be the overlay. It's not going to be the first one. The first one is for now the background that you picked, right? Now you hit overlay, tap it, and then you're going to go to video right at the bottom, and you're going to press on the video that you have stored that you recorded using your green screen, right? So I have mine in this app called Open Camera, and it's this one right here, 13 seconds. Tap on it. There we go. You stretch it. Bam. Look at the beautiful boy. Tech for Rec, you already know. So now you're going to hit the pencil icon now that that's all stretched out. Oh, let me stretch it out good in the bottom over here, the video. Well, that's about where it goes. The video goes there. So let's put this back over here. So press on the pencil icon, then you slide to the left, the bottom is all the different features that you could use, effects or whatever. You're going to hit Chroma key because that's what you need to get rid of the green screen behind you. I recorded close to the green screen, so I made a little boo-boo there. I was just trying to do this real quick to help the guys out that were asking me about a video like this. So then you're going to hit on this where it says use picker to select a color. You tap on it. The picker shows up. You see it on my face there. Then you hit next the picker. You hit the green screen with it. Tap it. Hit on the other side of it. You hit wherever the green was still showing at a little bit. That's what works for me. And then you go to the bottom where it says color range, and you want to stretch, and the numbers go up as you press on it. and it starts disappearing. But you got to make sure that the color on your shirt is not disappearing. Then you want to move the green color a little more on the top where it says pencil picker next to it, and it's like a rainbow color effect looking like a RGB thing. You can move that green up and down if you need more green to remove. Then where it says denoise over here, you move it up or down, however it works for you, and you're gonna see is it disappearing or it's getting worse or what have you. That looks like it works for me for now. So let's check it out. I usually just tap on the play symbol over here on the right side, pop, and there we go. It's like magic. So now you see the green, you can still see it on the side there a little bit. So then you could just play with that by stopping the video and going back to Chroma key. And pressing on that and hitting down here and either playing with the green and with the color range. And it probably got better, it probably got worse, but I'm pretty sure that you get it. You're in there, and once you figure it out, it's going to work for you, and you're going to be able to get it off or what have you. Maybe it's the background that I picked. At times that could happen, because if it's like picking up like a greenish color, then that could also happen. But if I change that real quick, the background, let's check it out. Right? And I add a different one. Like that one right there. Now delete this one. It could get better or it could get worse. It's sometimes just trying to show you, like, it depends on the colors. That one was really dark. All right, now it's still doing it, so I guess it was me. So now that I know that, I go back to the Chroma key. And I play with it like that. And it's still there, but it's not. Now the shirt, okay. So I'm pretty sure you get the point of it, right? You got to try to play with it the best way and what's going to work for you. Because what works for you may not work for everybody. See, it's getting a little better, but then there's green in the back, but you figure it out and it's going to work itself out. It got way better. And remember, you want to record away from the green screen. I recorded close to the green screen to do this real quick because somebody wanted me to ask to show them how to use this app to get rid of the green screen while the green screen is there. And you can add something moving in the back. You can add a video in the back and place yourself in the video. There's a lot of things you can do with Powerdirector that a lot of people don't know exist. And the app is actually free. There's a watermark on it, and you pay about $4 if you want to remove the watermark. You can put up the volume to your videos, which is very good because a lot of people's videos are low once they record. It has a lot of features, bro. You can add different filters that's going to change the look and the coloration on your face, but it might change your whole situation. So if I was you, what I would do first is, then you can go back and fix this in Chroma key, but if I was you, what I'll do is edit the video first plainly like this, and then go back and add any filters or face filters that you might want to fix the skin coloration for yourself. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe, hit like, share. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this that can help you out with making your videos for YouTube and all the streaming major platforms to help you grow online. Or if you want to know anything else and any how-to videos. This is how to use green screen, how to use Chroma key with Powerdirector. A free app is available in Android. I don't know if it's available in for Apple devices. I'm pretty sure, more than sure it is. This app is very well known. They also have it in the computer software version where you can download it and use it on your computer. That's a little more, pretty sure you guys are bright, but it's a little more complicated to use. Even for me, to be realistic, I like to use it on my phone. So anyway, thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you like this video. Hopefully we got right to the point. Excuse me, I haven't been making videos like this in a while, and I'm getting back to it to help everybody grow online. Thank you for tuning in to Tech for Rec. Leave a comment. Tell me if you liked the video and that you learned something, and if you want to see more videos like this one. Gang! Tech for Rec. Love you guys. I'm grateful.